Greetings friends and welcome to the den for the Monday video. So glad to have you all aboard. Gonna do just a quick straight razor shave today for Matti Monday. Haven't done one of those in quite a while, and as you guys know, Matti is my my brother from another mother. So going with the Ecto Cooler, and this one was Marion the Barbarian's idea, and yeah, it's a nice one. I really like it. The inspiration for this is High C, I do believe, an orange drink. So this is mentholated, just a nice mentholated orange soap, and going with the MLS handmade brush. And we're just gonna get right in here and load it right out of the tub. Are the tubs kind of small? Yes, they are. Can you load out of them? Yes, you most certainly can. And I don't mind making a little bit of a mess, so we'll just get in here and get the tips loaded up and get into the shave. Hopefully everybody's week is off to a good start. Hopefully all the dads had a good Father's Day yesterday. Mine was pretty good. It was quiet, which is nice. Just a nice relaxing day. Of course, most of my days are relaxing, I guess, so nothing really has changed there. And I would say that's a good load. A little bit of this stuff actually goes a pretty long way. And I will get some of that proto lather out of there. Yeah, dig the scent on this, really do. I'm a big fan of citrus scents anyway. So yeah, straight up orange scent pleases me. It really does please me. And yeah, that will do. All right. Oh, I should show you too. Yeah, we got the Swedish flag on there. You can't forget the Swedish flag. And we will get into lathering this stuff up. Going with a cold water shave, cold water lather today. It's a pretty warm day in the Red Island. It's like 30 degrees Celsius. So it's 90 Fahrenheit, 90 some Fahrenheit. So it's nice, warm. I wouldn't want it much warmer than this. I know that. And let's let the menthol chill my face down. It does take a bit for this menthol to kick in. I've noticed I've used this once, and so it does kind of creep up on you, which is pretty cool. I can smell it, just don't really feel it yet, but it will kick in as the shave goes on. It feels nice to dip those tips in that nice cold water. I did not do a video on Saturday, as you guys could tell. I was on the live with Nate and Mel over at BBS.Live and the CanadianMafia Show again this weekend. So if you don't see a video from me on Saturdays, check out those two Instagrams, BBS.Live. Well, check out the BBS.Live one, because that's if you want to catch the replay. If you want to watch it live, then chances are you'll see me going live with BBS.Live. But if you really, for certain, want to be able to catch the the shave, then just keep an eye out for the BBS.Live Instagram page to go live at what time? 10 a.m. Central. It'll be 11 Eastern or 12 Atlantic, and at 12 noon. Anyway, so that's where it was. It was a good time. It's the second week in a row I went with those cats. So I don't think I'll be going next weekend. We're kind of supposed to be switching it up between the members of the Mafia. So I think next weekend will be somebody else going. But yeah, ton of fun. Check it out. Because when Mel is on, you just never know. Either. You just never know. He might just be in the mood to give something away too. So always follow Nate and Mel. So the razor today, going with CV Hejestrand MK number 4. Got this from Matti. Nice little 4/8 hollow ground. I love this razor. Might as well, we're gonna go for Matti Monday. Might as well go all out and use a straight razor just like Matti would. And here we go. Very nice, still nice and smooth. Only 1 day's worth of growth. So nothing too terribly difficult to chew through here today. Tell you what, I got that soap right where I like it, and it's nicely hydrated. Nice and slick. Love the sound of a hollow ground doing its thing. Very nice. That's a good first pass. Starting to feel that menthol kick in now. And we'll activate it a bit with a cold water rinse. Getting this video done a little later than usual too. Just had to have a busy day. Went to my parents for a bit. Drop off the Father's Day gift to my stepfather because my wife was working yesterday, so I was not able to make it out there. So we went out today for a bit of a visit and came home and threw some nice pork chops in the barbecue with some mushrooms and onions. Cooked them to absolute perfection and they were delicious. So good. Could have picked them up off the plate and wrung them out. They were that juicy. Man, they were tasty. Very, very, very tasty. It's one thing I love doing, and that's barbecuing. And actually, I couldn't get the thing lit to get the festivities started. And then I got checking the tank, and well, first I went to turn the tank on, and the tank was already on. I left it on from the last time, and I was like, oh shit. And hopefully, or I was hoping everything was tight and not leaking. And then so anyway, went to fire the barbecue up, and I got two burners that will light with the built-in igniters, and I have two that won't. And anyway, the first two that will light with the igniter wouldn't kick off, and I was like, oh shit, we're out of gas. And it's not really in the budget this week for another tank of propane. So I was like, oh, what the hell are we going to do? And I was like, oh, I'll try it again because sometimes it can be finicky. And sure enough, I got the front two to light, or the first two in the right. Got them to light off, and then the other two lit up no problem with the barbecue lighter, so all was well. I guess if I really wanted to, I could pull the tank off and you know, just kind of gauge how full it is by how heavy it is, but that would be the smart thing to do. So what I'll do the same as every other person. I'll just keep using it until, you know, it runs out of juice when I'm halfway through cooking something. And then we'll be out of gas, but you know, whatever. It is what it is. Had enough for today, so that was good. Most times, actually, that wouldn't even bother me. I would just finish cooking everything in the house. But we were having this bacon carbonara side dish, and just the Knorr stuff, the packaged stuff, but it goes good with pork, and it's a quick, easy side dish, and my youngest kid really likes it. And anyway, we were having that, and I pre-made that, so it was pretty much already fully cooked and just sitting on the back burner with the heat off and the lid on it so it could thicken up. And so the option of having to do the pork chops for another 45 minutes in the oven if the barbecue wouldn't light was kind of not really there today. But luckily, all is well as ends well, so. Very nice. This little razor does a fine job, I will tell you that. This soap, definitely feeling that menthol now. It's nice and cooling. It's doing its thing. It's nice and slick. Beautiful. Very nice. All right, and that does it for the straights. Once again, she has not let me down. I'm going to pause this. Be back for the post and the final thought. All right, and I am back, and that was a very nice shave indeed. Really like that soap. I think it's very, very well done. I've always been a fan of Matti's soaps anyway, and that was a great choice for Marion. So if you're looking to get a hold of this stuff, if you're in Europe, contact Matti. And if you are in North America, get a hold of Marion the Barbarian. Going with Maol Tangerine. Carry on that nice citrus vibe. Oh yeah, that's a great smelling aftershave. Really like it. It's pretty heavy use too, I tell you, especially with these orange soaps. Very nice. Fortunately, scent strength or scent longevity isn't too long with citrus, but then again, this being an evening shave, that's not really the end of the world either. All right, so that's it for me. Thanks so much for tuning in. Do appreciate it. If you enjoy the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, leaving a comment down below. We are working towards the next giveaway, which will be a artisan soap set when I hit that 600 mark, which we're rapidly approaching. So if that's something you'd be interested in, hit that subscribe button and keep an eye out for the giveaway video. So that's it for me. Until next time, friends, be safe, be kind to one another. Most importantly, have a great day and even better shape. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace and see ya.